Welcome back. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to easily move files and folders from your computer to Google Drive. As we rely more on cloud storage, having your documents, photos, and important work accessible from anywhere has become essential. Google Drive makes this simple, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident transferring any type of file safely into the cloud. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll land on your Drive homepage. This page is your central workspace where all your folders, files, and shared items are organized. Now focus on the upper left corner of the screen. Here you'll see a button labeled New. Clicking this button opens two important options: File Upload and Folder Upload. These are the tools you'll use to move your content from your computer into Google Drive. If you're uploading a single file or even multiple individual files, click on File Upload. Your computer's file picker window will open, allowing you to browse through your documents, images, videos, or anything else you need to transfer. Simply select the items you want, then click Open. Google Drive will immediately begin uploading them. You'll see the progress in the lower right corner, which helps you keep track of how quickly everything is moving. If you want to move an entire folder, such as a full project, a collection of photos, or a group of documents, choose the Folder Upload option instead. This works similarly, but it allows you to bring over a complete folder structure, keeping everything organized exactly the way you have it on your computer. Select the folder you want, click Open, and Google Drive will start transferring all its content automatically. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your files, the upload may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. It's normal for large videos or big project folders to take a bit longer, so just keep an eye on the progress bar and let Drive finish the job. Once your upload completes, your files and folders will instantly appear inside your Google Drive. You can organize them, rename them, share them with others, or move them into different folders. And best of all, they'll sync across any device connected to your Google account, giving you easy access, whether you're on your computer, phone, Kia, or tablet, and that's all there is to it. Moving files and folders from your computer to Google Drive is quick, simple, and incredibly useful for keeping your digital life backed up and accessible from anywhere. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.